Mr. Sanchez, an old and wise teacher, was known for his unconventional teaching methods. One day, he handed each of his students a balloon and asked them to write their names on it. He then collected the balloons and spread them in the neighboring hall. The students were then given 5 minutes to find the balloon with their name. The room was chaotic and no one found their balloon. Then Mr. Sanchez asked them to pick any balloon and give it to the person whose name was written on it. Within minutes, everyone had their own balloon. Mr. Sanchez explained, this exercise is much like happiness. You will find it much easier when everyone is helping each other. The students learned a valuable lesson about teamwork and the joy in helping others.
Please don't forget